All right, so today, let me repeat what I said before. Tata means today. Tata means today. I see some people are still coming in. Ndewonu, abụ m Unet Ogochukwu Ohaya. Tata, ihe anyị nwere ime ewu ịza ajụjụ ịgaghachi azụ n'ihe ndị anyị mere mbụ na izu anọ gara aga. So all we have to do today is to review everything we did for the past 4 weeks. And then after that, we're going to do the quiz. And it's going to be on Quizlet. And then after the class, you can still have access to Quizlet. You can go over. It's going to help you learn. Okay? So today, we are going to do that. I hope everybody is prepared. And whoever is using headphone and is making noise with your papers and pencil, please stop. We have a lot of people in this class. I don't want anybody disrupting the class. Please. So I don't want anybody to make noise. We have to accommodate everybody. All right. So right now I'm going to mute everybody. No question until at the end of the class. Okay, toward the end, we can ask questions. All right, so I'm going to share screen with you. All right, so I have a screen here. Let me see. Just 1 second. Okay. So we're going to do the continuation of the pronouns. Okay. I remember last week we did pronouns, and we talked about how you can do something like saying something when it's possessive, singular, plural. Okay. So personal pronouns, we did the present, past tense. So all those things. We have a lot to do. Okay, but today we're going to use some words, like add some like verb stems, and then use those words to make a sentence. Okay, for instance, now we have something. When you're doing something like singular subject indirect combination with the main verbs, okay, in a sentence. Now, for example, if you say be, which is B-I, when you say be, it's B-I, it means live, live. And that live is the verb stem. Okay. A beam means I live. Now we're going to make a sentence. A beam na ụlọ. Okay. A beam na ụlọ. When you say a beam n'ụlọ, it means I live in a house. That's basically what you said. I live in a house. Let me get something right here. Ebi na ụlọ. We have to dot the U and the O. Ebi na ụlọ means I live in a house. I hope you can see what I'm typing. I hope it's bold enough. Ebim na ụlọ. Now, if you want to say, like second person now, third person, you want to tell me that your sister lives in a house. Remember what we did about the pronouns. So what will you say? When you say he, she, it, okay, lives in a house, it's going to be Obi. And we're going to put Obi. Obi. Na ụlọ. Now I need somebody to give me a sentence. I need somebody to use something else to make a sentence with the third person. Plural, third person, plural. Can I hear you again? Obinolo means she, he, or she lives in a house. Okay, that's basically what it is. Now, if I want to say they live in a house, they live in a house. Ha bina olo. Ha bina olo. Let me see if somebody. Ha bina olo. Okay. When you want to say they live in a house, ha bina olo. Ha bi na ụlọ. Ha bi na ụlọ means they live in a house. Okay, so we're going to stop there right now. We're not gonna just use be. Then if you want to say I live a b. Now if you want to say we live in a house, anyị bi na ụlọ. I hope you all get it now. Now moving on. We're going to use, like using the subject, direct and indirect object now. When you say this is just an object, you have something on the table, you have maybe your computer or your Chromebook on the table. Then buru, when you say buru, means carry. Obinna, buru, obinna, buru. Okay, now we have another one that says bupu. Bupu. Okay. Take out. It means to take it, carry it out. Bupuya. Now you have a plate. You finished cereal in the morning and you left your plate on the table. And your mom is gonna call you. Obinna, Ikenna, bia bupu, afere. Okay, so bia bupu afere, non a table. I'm going to type this, but I want you to get what I'm saying. Buru means to carry. Okay, now you come to me, and then I saw what you left on the table. I said, Buruya, take it. Buruya, take it. Okay, so let's make a sentence first. Buru ite. Ite means pot. All right, ite. E-T-E, ite means pot. Buru ite. Okay, carry the pot. Okay, burite. Carry the pot. Now, when I say bupu, bupu means take it out. Okay? Bupuya. Now, we are using this word now, bupu. And then you can say bupuya. Let me just underline it. I don't want you to get confused. Two people are waiting. Okay. Admit all. When you say bupuya, bupuya, okay, it means carry it out, take it out. That's what it is. Take it, carry it out, carry it out. Just bupuya, it is the same. When somebody say buru, it means maybe I carry something, I say ngwa buru, or it is on the table, or on the desk, or on the bed, anywhere. And then I say bupuya eba, take it out of here. Bupuya eba, bupu. Now I can carry something. I say, okay. I cannot say take it. Or if I say take it, I say where ya. But then if I want you to carry it out, I'll say buruya, bupuya. So I can hand it to you because I'm carrying it. I'm carrying it. I'm not just holding it. So I'm carrying it with my two hands. That means buru, buruya, ezinne, buruya. Okay? Now, when I tell you, we're going to change it now. Bunyeya, bunyeya, it means to give it to somebody. Bunyeya uche. Carry it and give it to uche. Bunyeya uche. Now, when I say bupuya, it means take it and carry it out. Carry it out. Okay? Buruya, carry it. Was bupuya eba. When I say bupuya eba, take it out of here. Eba, okay? It said, carry it out of here. Eba means here. Eba means here. Carry means buru. But you're saying take it out. I don't want you to get confused with this bupu and the buru. Okay, you have to know what we are talking about here. When you say bupuya or buruya, it is the same. But when you are making a sentence, you have to know what you're saying. Okay, now we're gonna move on. So when I say dim, this is something when you're trying to use a noun in possessive relationship, okay? When it follows, when a noun, it can also, when we are talking about the pronoun, okay? And then if it's following a noun in a possessive relationship, okay, now you can say my wife, my husband, my brother, my son, my daughter, okay? My friend. All right, so let's do this. My wife. So D-I means husband. But when you add come and stretch this in for me, Chichi. When you add it means mine. You see the M, my husband. My husband means dimu. Now, my wife means munyem. Leave it. It's not working. One second, everybody. Why is it not working? It's okay. Let me continue the class. Okay. So when you say munye, munyem, okay? Munye means wife. Munye means wife. Munyem, now. You see, it takes possession of it. Munyem, okay? Munyeya means his wife. You see that? Okay. Nwaya, nwamu, nwaya, nwamu, my child, nwaya, his child, her child. Okay? Nneya, his mother, her mother. Nnaya, his father, her father. I need you to pay attention to this. It's very important. Now, nwunye means my wife. Now, nwa means your child. Nwa means a child. No gender here. No he or she. Nwam, who is this? And I say, oh, Obinna, who is this person? And you say, oh, nwam. I can say, Angel, who is this person? Angel will tell me, my child. And then in Igbo, it's nwam. If Angel wants to tell me that it's my brother's child, that's a different thing. My brother's child. Nwa, nwannem, I'm getting there. Let's finish nwam. Nwam means my child. Okay. Now, Angel, who is this? My brother's child. Okay. Nwa. 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 Nnem. Now, nwa means child. Pay attention. N-W-A. But in Igbo is nwa. Nwa. Nwa means a child. Nwannem means my sibling. Nwannem, no differentiation. We do not differentiate brother or sister now, okay? But it's nwannem. Now, if I wanna say, all Angel told me is that this child belongs to my either brother or sister. She did not tell me it's my brother's child. She did not say it's my sister's child, but she said nwannem. It means Angel's sibling's child. It can be brother or sister. So pay attention to nwa, nwannem. Nwannem means a sibling. Nwa means a child. Now, nwa, nwannem, nwoke. Now she told me it's my brother's child. Nwa, nwannem, nwoke. Do you see it? That's the difference. Because if I ask you what is nwa, nwannem, if you tell me it's my sister's child or my brother's, that is wrong. But I have to put the gender there for you to know exactly what I said. I hope I made myself clear. Please, if you are not following, let me know. Nwa nwannem. Now, when you say enyim, my friend, enyi ya, her friend, okay, her friend, or his friend, okay, enyi anyị. You see, I'm putting the pronouns. I want you to pay attention. Okay, enyi anyị, our friend. Enyi ha, their friend. You see that? Okay. When you put plural, we're just doing singular now. Now, assuming we said, they are my friends. They are my friends. Ndị enyi m. They are my friends. This is plural. Ndị. So when you say ndị, this is how you put plural. Okay? All right, now we're going to stop here for now. Okay, we're going to stop here. I just want to make sure you got it. Now, if I say your friends, I'm looking at a group of people. Looking at you guys, group of you. Anything group is 2 and above. And I say your friends. Okay? Enyi uno. Your friends. Your enyi uno. Uno means you. Oh, make sure you put dot underneath the you. Enyi uno means your friend. Okay, so now I want you to practice that pronouns, okay? Make sentences. I will send assignment, and I have been monitoring to know how many of you will listen to the lesson over and over. And that was why I have not posted any note, because some of you will just lie on that. You have to go over. You have to go over the lesson. I monitor it. I know who is checking, who is logging in, who is really going over the lesson. But today, you're going to show me what you did if you are really going over it. Okay? There is one song that says, Onye adọla nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ, ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye adala nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ. It means never you touch a lion's tail, whether it is dead or not or alive. Don't pull the lion on the tail, whether it's dead or alive. Onye adala nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ, ma ọ dị ndụ, ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. So, o ruola n'omume. What does that mean? Now you're going to show me what you've been learning. You have to make me proud to let me know that all that we've been doing, that you're going to make me proud by answering all the questions correct. Now we're gonna do the Quizlet. You have to really answer fast, okay? You're going to see, you go to www.quizlet.life, okay? And then there will be a code. You will see a code on the screen. You use that code to log in and then take the quiz. I will see everybody. Once we have a winner, the name will show and I will announce it. So we're going to do all this today. Numbers, body parts, the pronouns. So we're gonna do all this. Show me that you've been learning, that you've been practicing. That's the only way I'll be proud of what we are doing. Because just because I'm doing it free for you people, doesn't mean you won't take it serious. You have to take it serious, okay? So let us show that at least that we are putting our time, okay, into it. All right, so Quizlet.
Can you repeat the website?
I'm gonna show you, that's okay. You see it on the screen, okay? I'm gonna share it. We'll stop sharing this one right now. Let me stop sharing it. So let me get the Quizlet. Chichi. Yeah. Share screen. Okay, this is it. All right. I hope everybody can see it. If you don't see it, let me know. You unmute yourself and tell me you cannot see it. So we're gonna do the body parts first, head to toe. Oh, it works now. All right, so let's see. Everybody, make sure you're looking on the screen. I want you to see and copy the code. Enter the code. That's the only way you can do the quiz. And don't waste time. If you want to be the winner. Igbo. Yeah. Did you see the code? Move it up. Did you see the code, everybody? Yeah. Okay, we need to hurry up. And if the class is over, once the class is over, I want you to call in again because it's going to cut off after 45 minutes. But you have to call in again. We have to finish all the quiz today. I only see 4 people. Call in, please, please, come on. I need you all to move fast, 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 fast. I see Peter, I see Ada, I see Chioma.
How do we enter the code?
Huh?
How do we enter the code?
Go to Quizlet.live. And once you go to Quizlet.live, then it will show you where to put the code. I see Destiny, I see Adobe, Chioma, is that Obi or who? Cheta, Makachi, Amarachi, Chidemma, Chinedu. Come on, guys, Uchenna. Come on, guys, Ugonna. Ogechi, Ngozi, Amarachi. Come on, everybody.
I can't see the code anymore.
You can't see the code, okay. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Only 20 players. We have 30 something here. I need everybody to put the code fast because I'm going to start it right away. We're about to start the quiz. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm giving you 1 more minute and then we start. A minute more, we start the class.
I need help.
Oh, we start the quiz. Hello, somebody is talking.
Yes, it's me. I need help.
What do you need help on? Who is talking?
Me, I'm trying to
Tell me your name in Igbo. Say your name the way we say it. How you can introduce yourself. Come on. Kedu onye na-ekwunu? Kedu onye na-ekwunu? Wow, it looks like I lost the person. Somebody wanted to ask me a question. Go ahead. All right.
I don't know how to get in.
Did you see the code?
Yes.
Did you see the code? Okay, I want you to go to Quizlet.live. You see it is on the screen. Join at www.quizlet.live. It's on the screen. Look on the screen. We see it.
I see it now.
Yeah, type it in and then you get in. I have only 30 players. I need more. I need everybody in this class to get in the quiz. Everybody. Even if today is your first day, you need to try. Okay. The clock is ticking. It's ticking. We gotta go. So if the class stops, please call in again. I will put the screen again because it's gonna cut off in about 10 minutes, but we gotta do more. All right. Okay. So I have 32 people. Once I started, the rest of you won't be able to get in. All right. 33 people now. I see Obi Junior. I see Rashad.
Not in yet.
Where is Chinyere? Chinyere is missing today. I don't see Chinyere on my list. Who is doing that? Everybody, okay. Okay, now I'm about to start it.
I'm not in yet.
Did you see the screen? Did you see the code? No. Oh gosh. I have to mute. Okay, are we ready? Everybody in? We're not gonna wait for everybody. I have 19 more people did not get in. We have 19 people that didn't get in. Okay, we need to start. If 20 people did not get in. So what are we gonna do? We're going to do it again. Let's start. 35 people so far. All right.
Hold on.
That's good. Okay, go on. The game is started now. The quiz is on. Don't waste time. Okay. I don't think if I will be able to see all of them. Yeah, I see somebody running. I see everybody. Yeah, let's see. Bison and the alpacas. Okay, alpacas has 2 points. Bison, you have 1. Oh, whoa. I see somebody. Whoa. Tigers, 5. Wow, who is that person? We have to find out soon. And the way it goes, you see the Tigers went back. You missed a point. You missed something. So once if you didn't get a question right, it's going to bounce you back. I see the leader. Oh, I see. Oh, all of you are bouncing back. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Congratulations, Peter. We have a winner. Peter is the winner. Good job, Peter. Now we're going to do it again. We are playing the game again. Peter is the winner. All right. Let me let others in. I have some people. Okay. So I give some of you opportunity to get in now before we can start. If you know you didn't get in before, please get in. Peter is the winner of the first round, the first quiz. Now we are doing another one. If you want to get in now, please. See the code on the screen. Go to Quizlet.live and then put the code 647352. 647352. I'm starting the quiz again. And please, you have to call into the class again. Once we stop this first section, the second section, I need you to call in again, everybody. We have another quiz. All right, I'm starting the quiz again. Start again. Go on. Yeah, dolphins are running. Whoa. What's going on here? Come on, guys, you can do it. Show me at least that you've been learning. Change your numbers. It bounces back. Dolphins is still leading. Wow. Dolphins are leading. So who is the one bouncing back? Oh, whoa. Ooh, we're gonna have a winner soon. Ah, see Dolphins. Ah. Wow, who? The Penguins. Okay. Yay, we have a winner. Onyi. Congratulations. Onyi is the winner. That is good. That is good. Peter number 1, Onyi number 2. I'm putting your names down. Okay, Onyi. That's wonderful. Thank you, guys. Calling again. We have 2 more quizzes to go. But let's do this again. Let me see. Let me give you another opportunity. We need to change the game here. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see. Which one did we do? Which one did we do? Okay, I'm putting pronouns. Okay, we did pronouns. So we're gonna do the body parts now. You see. The body parts. So get ready. All right, you see the code. Get ready to input your code now. Did you see the code on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, enter it quick, everybody, please. Okay, I need to see it. The code is 693799. Come on, guys, come on, come on. This is for the body part, head to toe. You have 30 seconds to enter your code. 30 seconds, that's a lot of time. A lot of time, come on, everybody. I have only 15 players. Come on, guys, move it. Come on, come on, come on. We have 40-something people here. I can't have only 30 people doing the game. Everybody must participate. 26 players so far. Come on. Come on, move it. $29 players. You have 15 seconds left to get in this game. $30 people. Come on, what's holding you guys? 30 seconds is a lot of time. I don't want you to keep on unmuting yourself. Don't do that. Don't unmute yourself because we have glitches here. Some people are using the headphone that is really making scratchy noise. So when I mute you, okay, all right, we need to start. All right, we need to start. Did everybody get it? Ready? Go. They can probably Yeah, 799. Come on, I didn't see any. Okay, lions are moving. Frogs are moving. Puffins, wolves, pandas, hedgehogs. Wow, mustangs. Sea dragons. Sea dragons are winning. Come on, guys. Let me see who's gonna be the winner. All right, come on. I need to have a winner here. Come on. Don't forget to call into the class again. Call in. We have another quiz.